the camera. Well, there she is. A few bruises and scratches, but all in all, not a bad little bike. Worst of the damage that I can see is up front. We might be able to rescue the fairing, handlebars, everything, they're all fine. From what I can tell, the front forks look pretty straight. So far so good. We're back again, ladies and gentlemen. Had the battery charger on it for a while, but I can't wait. Total 61,211. Not something that I wanted to see. Not sure what that is. I think it means nothing. Alright, it's getting late. Battery's still not fully charged yet. What I think I'm going to do is turn it all off, try again tomorrow. But before we do that, I'm going to try and kick it over. So let's unplug all this. If she doesn't start, well, we'll start the whole process again in the morning. Let's go. Yeah, the Fireblade is alive. Alright, back again. Let's see if this old girl cranks over. Just bring it out into the light a little bit more. I'll give you a quick look around and then we'll try and crank her over. Damn, she's big. Big and beautiful. Not a great deal of damage. We've got a few bits and pieces off the bike at the moment. Luckily this tank is in perfect condition. Even the handlebars, brake levers, everything, perfect condition. There's a few little scrapes and scratches, but for the age of the bike, I mean, we're talking about a 2009 CBR 1000 RR Fireblade. So you got to expect it to have a few scrapes and scratches. See, we've got a little bit of carbon fibre on the back. I don't know if that's genuine or not. Who knows? And will you have a look at that? I think that's about a 225 Arrow special parts. Little sporty muffler with some more carbon fibre. I'm just giving this a first glance. I've got some aftermarket levers. Nothing fantastic, but what do we got up here? An old cut down sock. Absolutely everything was spot on. I've got a feeling whoever owned this before, and if they're watching the video right now, they'll identify. Alright, so what do we got down here? Obviously it was dropped, but really, yep, definitely dropped. Casings, who knows, I think that's probably salvageable. We'll give that a polish and maybe a paint. If it still looks terrible, I might just have to replace the casing. That'll be interesting. I did turn it over last night briefly and it didn't run very well, which is to be expected seeing as it sat in an auction lot outside for quite some time. I haven't had a chance to check how much. Plenty of body kit here which has survived. Can someone please tell me what the hell this is? Would be appreciated. One thing I am eternally grateful of is the fact that these mirrors survived. If you've ever tried to source mirrors like that, especially original ones, you will know that they're extremely hard to find. Also got to apologise for the lighting in here, it's terrible. If anyone knows anything more about this Yoshi mirror aftermarket looking, or is it aftermarket? I'm not sure. It has the Honda wing. And by the looks of things, we've got a dirty old set of headers. I hope. Moving around the bike, of course all this stuff I'm looking at the moment, it's just first glance. I haven't really had a chance to dive in and have a good look at it. So far so good as far as the frame and everything's concerned. The chain and everything's good tension. There's nothing else that's bent. As far as the extremities are concerned, we've got the fairing off of this side at the moment. What looks like a quick shifter. All the hoses and everything seem to be in decent condition. Anyway, enough waffle. Let's see if we can get this thing to start and hopefully let it run for more than a couple of minutes this time. See what it sounds like. Who knows, it might have just needed to blow some cobwebs out, and yeah, we're not going to know until she starts. Alright, let's fire this beastie up. We've also got two switches, one here and that one over the front that I showed you before, which I have absolutely zero idea what they are. Let's give this one more try with the jump pack turned on. Dickhead. $61,211 kilometres. Happy days.